Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl Sylvia, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a very good hair rinse, and we are going to be using bay leaves. And you all know the amazing benefits of bay leaves. If you don't have bay leaf in your hair routine, then you should add it now that you are seeing it. And the next thing we are going to be using is anise star. I don't know how it's pronounced in Ghanaian language. This is how it looks like. It looks like a star. We are going to be adding clove. That will be our next ingredient, and we'll be adding the next one when it's on fire boiling. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and also don't forget to leave a like and a comment down in the comment section. And thank you to all of you that have been sharing my videos. I'm very grateful, and those who have been trying to comment, I am super grateful and I love you all. This tea is perfect for you if you're experiencing breakage, dandruff, and also graying hair. If your hair is being gray and you are too young for that, then this mixture is just perfect for you. Use it to turn your hair black as normal. As our mixture is boiling, we are going to be adding the fourth ingredient, which is our favorite fenugreek seed. So we are going to be adding the fenugreek seed this late because we don't want it too soft. We want it fresh. We want to use it fresh and get the work started. So this is how our mixture looks. We're just going to sieve your mixture and add the vitamin C oil we did the last time to it, or any other oil. So guys, until I see you in my next video with another exciting video idea, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you. Bye.